1¼ by 1/8 inch thick steel strapping from the big box store. And I started by drilling a 5/16 inch hole 1/8 of an inch from the top edge. Next, using a hacksaw, I cut a thin curve at a skewed angle across the top down through to the hole. Next, with an adjustable wrench, I bent each side of this kerf in an opposite direction. Then, moving to the left, I cut another curve perpendicular to the piece down to the hole. Over at the belt sander, I sharpened the protruding edge of the bend that faces forward. From here, cut a small piece of wood matching the project or contrasting the project, whichever you need. Chuck it in your drill and run it through the new cutter. A quick sand while it's in the drill and the dowel's ready to use.